How to turn on camera for Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to allow the camera access on Snapchat, the steps are quite simple. First of all, tap on the Snapchat and log in with your credentials. This should now give you a pop-up like this. Tap on Turn On button and then you have to select while using this app. This should now give you the camera access and you're free to go. However, if you cannot see this option, there's another way as well. For that, you have to go back on the home page and long press the Snapchat icon. Go to App Info and then tap on Permissions. Now from the Not Allowed section, you must see the camera option. Tap on it and then select on Allow only while using the app or Ask every time. Make sure you do not click on Don't Allow, and this should turn on the camera access for Snapchat. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.